Hi there, fabulous co-livers. My name is Aga and I'm a happiness officer for Palma Coliving here in Palma de Mallorca. I'm a very good mother of good vibes and joyous living. My mission is to sprinkle dust of happiness everywhere I go, and also making sure our communal areas are as cozy and comfortable as kitten in the mitten and as clean as a whistle. Making sure your rooms get cleaned once a week, and also, very important, that you always have a toilet roll. Making sure you have your 3 times a week yoga session with our beautiful yoga teacher, Fabi. Namaste. Or maybe you just need someone to have deep conversations with over a coffee, or maybe some shoulder to cry on. I'm your girl. I'm basically here to make your stay fantastic, that all your needs are met, and you feel like at home. Oh yeah, and I give free hugs. I don't charge for them. They are free.